How to download Microsoft Office for free. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then simply search for Microsoft Office free download. Now go to the official site of Microsoft Office and now simply select download now. Go to download for Windows and the file is now being downloaded. After the file is downloaded, simply install it into your device and you'll be good to go. You can also download it for your Mac. If you have Mac, simply select for download for Mac OS and then that's it. You can also get the Microsoft 365 mobile app by simply scanning here. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.